Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the SteamVR error code 108. Let's begin. First, I want you to click on your start menu over here and look for graphics settings. Left click on it. Then over here, you should be able to look for Steam. For example, this one, click on it and then choose options. Make sure to select high performance, then click on save. However, if Steam is nowhere to be found over this section, you can do is go and select browse, or for Windows 11, you can click on add application. All right. Click on it. Then you just need to look for Steam. So once you are on the local disk C, go to program files 86. All right. Then I'm going to show you. Okay. Local disk C, then program files 86. Scroll down, look for Steam, scroll down, and you will see the Steam application. So just click on it and then click on add, and it will show up in here. So same, just left click options and then select high performance. Now the next troubleshoot would be to go and select your Steam shortcuts or application, right? Left click on it, choose properties, go to compatibility, and then make sure these are allowed or checked. Run this program in compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this as an admin. Click on apply, then okay. So these three to be exact. Now the final step would be to go to your Steam client, open it, click on the library where all of your games are shown in here. Look for SteamVR, right click on it, properties, installed files, then verify integrity of tool files. Click on it. It might take a few minutes, but once done, it will basically reacquire any corrupted or missing files for Steam VR. Then you can now close everything and you can even restart Steam client, reopen Steam VR, then everything should now be working smoothly. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.